Hey Claude, can I create a sales representative agent for my business? Yes sir, let's go. Every AI product and agency business needs a way to talk to your customers. And it does not matter if you're technical or not, you don't want to build this from scratch every single time. What you really want is a sales layer that will be the sales interface to speak to the world. And that's why we're introducing AutoManus MCP server and API services for you today, because we want you to be able to create your first sales representative agent within 1 minute. Let me show you how it works. There's a very simple way for you to set up MCP if this is the first time to hear about it. You just need to go to your profile and click on it and then come to settings and developers, and you can see that I have a few MCP servers right here. Notion API is one of them and AutoManus is the other one. You can just click on edit config. You see, it will pop up this link here, and all you need to do is follow the instructions on the MCP server development repo here. You just need to copy this and then open this Claude_desktop config JSON, and then just paste that in. I have multiple MCP servers. You can see AutoManus is right here. So as you can see, after I ask this question, it's asking me for 3 things: company name, website URL, and my email. This is because my Claude has been set up with the MCP server from AutoManus. So let's say the company name is calendly.com. And also I'm gonna provide my email for development. I'm just gonna hit enter. So now you can see that Claude is gonna sort of, using this MCP server again, trying to create the sales agent for me, for this company, and my email. It's using our backend services to search this website. It could be your AI product, it could be your agency website, to understand how do you take in inquiries from your customers, what kind of things or solutions are you providing for your customers. And the whole goal of this agent that's creating for me is to make sure that there's no leakage from customer inquiries when you're not in your office or when you're out there speaking to other clients. As I promised, within 1 minute, everything has been created. You can test it with 2 ways. You can either click on this link right here to chat with the agent, but that agent currently is on the system server. You don't own it yet. And at the same time, you must have received an email, which is something like this, which is asking you to claim your agent so that you will be able to own it in your own platform. But let's try on WhatsApp first. You can see in this email, there's a link called test on WhatsApp. If I click on that, it will pop up this WhatsApp link that will allow us to chat with this AutoManus agent right here. And just enter, I'd like to talk to Calendly. So it gave me a button to click on to route to Calendly, but you can see this little yellow warning here because that agent doesn't belong to me. Right, because I'm not from Calendly. If you're an employee, if you're CEO from Calendly, you'll be able to claim it using that email link with your own email domain so that there's no security issues. This must be verified by you. What do? All right, it says, I'm here to help you discover Calendly and simplify your scheduling. We help you do appointment booking. How much is your service? Cool, the service is like $10, $16, or $15K a year. We can also ask Claude to add more knowledge to it. So I'm gonna say, can you add a booking link to its knowledge base, which is my Calendly? Let's go. So now it's using this MCP tool called add knowledge. All I need to do is just say allow, and then we'll be able to add this knowledge base to this agent, and we can see if it's working. All right, so now it's done. So I'm gonna say, can I schedule a Calendly booking with you? Do you have a link? Cool, it says yes, you can schedule a meeting directly using Calendly link, and if I click on it, I'll be able to book a call with you. All right, so this agent is completely created based on Claude MCP, and I think everybody can do it. So now let me show you how to actually claim this, and then you can own it and then can modify all the knowledge that this agent should know. Remember, we received this email. There's a link called Claim Your Agent. Let's just click on that. All right, and now it's then going to direct us to this invite link that will allow you to claim this agent if you use the same email that you used to sign up. Cool, you can see that we have this new agent called Calendly Assistant. And if I just click on deploy, okay, because now we're on a free plan, so you can only deploy 1 agent at a time. If I click on edit it, so this company is called Calendly Assistant, and we can see that there's goals and actions. It scraped the most important information here, and most importantly, there is a knowledge base that has all the information that we have scraped from this product. Remember, we say the agent was not verified. Now in the training page, you can click on the sandbox mode and then put in your website URL to confirm if your emails match with it. If it does, then it's going to verify it. If it does not, then your agent will remain unverified for security reasons. Now you might be wondering, where are the conversations? You just need to move to inbox and click on it. You can see the entire conversations that we had between the clients and the agent. And what you can do is you can create a lead from this conversation by clicking on the button. So what it's doing is that it's processing this entire conversation, identifying if they're looking for any products or trying to book a call with someone. And then eventually you will be able to turn it into a structured lead. Imagine it could do this in batches, right? If you have like 700, 800 inbounds of inquiries over a month, then you might be leaking some potential customers by not replying to them promptly. With this product, you'll just be able to handle it without much of a concern, okay? So now it's almost done. Okay, you can click on Create View Lead. You can see Leads Hub for the entire conversation. In the to-do, you can see that the customer was trying to book a call with us. If you cross it out, you can see this customer is potentially a enterprise customization client, so you capture that the value is about 15K. So this was a quick demo of how you would use Claude MCP to build an agent for your business or for your product immediately. If you are a developer, you might not only want to use MCP, but you want to perhaps set it up using APIs. Maybe you're building a SaaS product or an agency product that require a lot of back and forth conversations. And while you're building the website or updating your product in Cursor, in Lovable, in Claude, you might want to just have access to the API. All right, we also have that ready for you. You just need to come to Settings and API Access, and you will be able to create a new key here. Let's just say test key. That will expire in 30 days. Create the key, copy the key, click done, and then all you need to do is just use this curl. Let's just try it with a real terminal. I'm just going to copy this in and create this company, and now this API is going to create this agent for us. It says it's successful, and in this case, it should just be directly in your agent hub, because you're using the API keys. Okay, there we go. You have this entire agent here using the API. You don't even have to claim it. You just need to sign in first and then create the API key. To use the API key to call the API. We're also able to allow you to create a web chat. So if you come to AI agent web chat, you can say, let's say Calendly, and then we can say create a widget, choose a different color, right? Put it at the bottom right of your screen. And then you can just test it right here. It's just like, hey, what is your service cost? Okay, same thing. You can also click on the WhatsApp to chat with the WhatsApp agent. So, this is the entire process of how you would use MCP server or APIs to create a sales representative agent for your business, for an AI product, without much pain. And if you're curious about this, I would really appreciate it if you can come to our GitHub server and check out this documentation. And if you really like this product or you just want to support me, give us a star or fork our repo and download our MCP server on here. Everybody will get 100 free credits, meaning 100 free AI generated responses for your clients. And I would love to hear any feedback and happy to chat more. Oh, also like this video, subscribe if you can, and we have our Discord server down below in the link. Happy to discuss more in our channel on Discord. Thank you so much, and have a great day.